solve the following simultaneous equations. So notice how I've done x in blue, so I'm going to have a blue bar for the x's, and then I've done the y's in red. So I'm going to show you how to do this both using bar modelling and using algebra. So bar modelling first. I've got 5x, so I need 5 of these blue boxes. So let's just put those in place. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's 5x, and I also need 2y. So that's the red boxes. 1 and 2. Okay, so there's my top line sorted. I also need the bottom line as well. So that's 1x and 2y. I'm just going to put the x there for a second and you'll see why, because I need the 2y. That's the same amount of y's, or the same amount of red boxes, as the line above. So I can move this one over to here. Okay, so let's have a look at what we know so far. I know that the bottom line, so that x and 2y, this bit here, is equal to 4. I know that the top line is equal to 16. So this must be the difference between 16 and 4. So 16 take away 4 is 12. So this is 12. So 12 add 4 is 16. So this represents just up to this bit here. So I need to split that 12 into these 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. So each blue box actually represents 3. Now if I look just at the bottom line now, just at this bottom line, let's just change colour to make it more clear. Now I know that this whole of the bottom line makes 4. I've already got 3 here. So 3 add something is 4. Well, that's something that's got to be 1. Now that 1 represents both of these red boxes. So I need to do 1 divided by 2, which is going to be 0.5. Each of the red boxes would therefore be 0.5. So I found out that a blue box actually represents 3, so x is 3, and a red box actually represents 0.5, so y is 0.5. So let's just look at that with how we would have done it using simultaneous equations algebraically. So let's write it out again. 5x plus 2y is equal to 16. X plus 2y is equal to 4. So the first thing we did is we took away the bottom line from the top line, because we did 16 take away 4. So we took away these lines from each other. So 5x take away x is 4x. And that's what we were doing over here. We found that the 4 boxes, 4x, and 2y take away 2y is 0. So effectively what we've done here is we've eliminated a variable, and that's our aim, to eliminate. 16 take away 4 is 12. A little balance method here. So 4x divided by 4 will give me just x, so I need to divide by 4 on this side. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Now once I've figured out that x is 3, I then need to figure out, well, what is y? So I substitute into this equation here. So if x is 3, that's 3 plus 2y is equal to 4. And I need to do a little balance method. Take away 3 from both sides. 2y is equal to 1, and then divide by 2 on both sides. 1 divided by 2 is a half, or 0.5, like I got doing the bar. So that's both the bar modelling and the algebra. So you can do one way and check it using the other way. Eventually, we'll only be able to do the algebra questions because bar modelling won't work. So you need to make sure you understand the algebra.